Hello viewers, welcome to the Best Purchase Guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Cuisinart TOA 65 Toaster Oven Air Fryer. Cuisinart makes air frying easier than ever, with presets to perfectly fry favorites like wings, fries, chicken nuggets, snacks and veggies. Frying with air instead of oil is delicious and guilt-free, and this large capacity oven fries up to 3 pounds at once. It also offers all the great features of a full-size toaster oven. And that's not all. Unique to the Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a range of low temperatures that lets users proof dough, dehydrate foods and more, taking multifunctionality to a whole new level. With a large digital display and intuitive programming options, selecting presets, temperature, time, and function have never been easier. Our second best air fryer toaster oven combo is Ninja SP101 Toaster Oven. The Ninja Foodi Digital Air Fry Oven packs a lot of features and cooking capacity in a small countertop footprint. Air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, bagel, toast, dehydrate, and keep warm all in one appliance, and when you're done cooking, reclaim your counter space by simply flipping the oven up and away to clean and store. Unique design promotes speed and even cooking results, including 60-second preheat and family-sized meals in as little as 20 minutes. A removable back panel allows you to easily access the interior for deep cleaning. Third choice in our list is Breville Bove 900 BSIS Smart Toaster Oven. The Smart Oven Air with Element IQ is for the cook who desires a countertop oven that can roast for large gatherings, air fry crispy French fries and family favorites, and dehydrate a wide range of healthy foods. The super convection setting reduces cooking time by up to 30% with great crispness. The Smart Oven Air with Element IQ is for the cook who desires a countertop oven that can roast for large gatherings, air fry crispy French fries and family favorites, and dehydrate a wide range of healthy foods. The super convection setting reduces cooking time by up to 30% with great crispness. The Smart Oven Air comes with a LCD display to more easily access the built-in smart functionality. Integrated oven light automatically turns on at the end of cooking cycle or can be switched at the touch of a button. For more details, let's watch more.
You will be surprised by the crispy, golden, guilt-free, and delicious air-fried results. All created inside the Smart Oven Air Fryer, powered by our Element IQ system with smart algorithms. Super convection maximizes airflow with higher temperatures and complete air contact. It delivers next-level air frying and so much more. With 11 smart presets, it can air fry, bake, roast, toast, slow cook, and more. Convenience, control and precision of many different cooking techniques in
Number 4 in our side is Cosori CO 130 AO Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Cosori Premium Air Fryer Toaster Oven with 12 presets: toast, bagel, pizza, bake, roast, air fry, broil, cookies, rotisserie, dehydrate, ferment and keep warm. Air fry function with high-speed convection fan, cooking with no or less oil to let you enjoy healthier food and silent voice. Enjoy easy cooking with the crisp LED screen, convenient dial controls, and interior light. Enjoy air-fried meals with up to 85% less fat than traditionally fried foods. Air fry feature may require more cooking time than standalone air fryers. For more details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best toaster oven air fryer list is KitchenAid Keiko 124BM countertop oven. The KitchenAid digital countertop oven with air fry was designed to offer endless healthy and fresh possibilities. With the no-flip air fry basket and 360 degrees air fry system, it's easy to make everything from French fries to delicate fish and so much more. And this countertop oven features the smallest footprint. The same possibilities as a full-size oven with quality results in a convenient countertop size. Top and bottom heating element design and convection fan ensure the inside of the oven is heated too, and stays at the right temperature. No flip air fry basket and 360 degrees air fry system for everything from fresh cut French fries, delicate fish and more, perfect every time, with no flipping. For more details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.